Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about reactjs useState hook, the first hook. Okay, useState is a React hook that allows functional components to manage state, guys. Same like set state we saw in the class component. The same way, here is the useState, guys, and how you are going to do set state. I will go to show you one by one, and yeah, we can have a look into that. It provides a way to add stateful logic to functional components which were previously limited to being stateless. Okay, so I'm going to explain, guys, in here all data types. The first one is the Boolean, guys. Boolean is either true or false. Use state with the Boolean data type to manage Boolean state variables. Constant is active, set as active, guys. So set a state, so it will take in use state, it will take the two arguments. Those arguments are either one is use active and set is active, guys, two arguments. And then here is the Boolean, true, either true or false, guys. So now initially I'm going to keep it false. So next is the number, guys. Next, number data type. Use state, the number data type, to manage numeric state variables. Constant count, set count equal to use state, the number of 0, guys. Either you can take 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, as I said in earlier, it will take in use state takes in two arguments. One is the count and set count, whatever name it is. There is a just name, guys, and you can declare whatever name you want to. Doesn't matter. Next is the string, guys, and use state with the string data type to manage string state variables. Constant name and set name, guys. As I said, two arguments, and use state is taking the string, guys, is empty string. Initially it will declare empty string. Next is array, guys. Use state with the array data type to manage array state variables. Constant items or set items. Use state should be in array, guys. Okay, empty array, string array if you have string array, number array. Okay, next is object, guys. Object is use state with object data type to manage object state variables. That means, object, what is the object, it will take the name or inside of the curly brackets, and we have to name or age or something. So here interface person, this is the interface, guys, name string and age. Constant person, set person, use state person, and the name and age, guys. Next is the custom types, guys, and you can also use custom types or interfaces with use state from more complex state management. So type to do, id number, title string, completed Boolean, constant to do's or set to do's, and this is the array, guys. These examples demonstrate how to use the use state with the different data types in React functional components, guys. The specified data type is in use state is the use state Boolean, use state number, and the string, array, object, and etc, guys. Ensures the type safety to provide the type interface and TypeScript, making it easier to work with the state variables in React applications. Let's go and have a look in counter example, guys, the increment counter example using the use state. So using this number and count and set count and all this stuff, and let's go and have a look in Visual Studio Code, guys. And I will go to open my Visual Studio Code. Here is my my Visual Studio Code. I'm going to close this one. I'm going to close all this stuff, guys. So already I have okay, here I'm going to create a new folder that is functional counter. Okay, the folder name is functional counter. Under functional counter, okay, so here I'm going to create functional counter dot tsx. Let me change this name also, guys. So here I would like to rename it this name. Yeah, should be okay. Now I have my functional counter, and then here I would like to create an RFCC, and then I'm able to create in by default in constant and with callback function export default, this one. So initially what I'm going to do, guys, in here, in this case, just I would like to use state. They have a use state, guys. So use state hook, and here what I'm going to do, simply define the state using the use state. So as I mentioned earlier, guys, it will take two arguments, is count and set count. Okay, equal to and use state. Okay, in this use state, just I would like to declare this is the typescript. So I'm going to declare number here, and then is 0. I'm going to pass it as a 0. Now function to increment the count, guys. So what I'm going to do for increment the count, for increment count, before doing that, just I would like to go here, and then here I would like to declare h1. Okay, h1 count. Okay, count. And very forward guys, and class component is very difficult to do it. This one we need to do count this dot state dot count, and again we need to do say this dot state in javascript object, and again we need to use this dot set state. So then only it's working, but this is very straightforward, nothing to do it in anything else. Just in here, see guys, just count, that's it. It's going to work. The count is going to increment if I want to increment. Now is the button. In this button, just I would like to say increment. Okay, now I would like to say in here on click equal to increment, guys. Okay, increment. So now I would like to take this increment here, just constant increment is equal to, okay, with the callback function here, just set count. That's all, guys. Set count, count plus 1. So very simple, guys, very straightforward, very simple, nothing is there. So let me explain once again, guys. So I need a use state hook. I took the use state hook, and count and set count is 2 arguments is taking in use state, and this is the TypeScript. That's what I declared the number, and 0 initially I kept the 0, and here I took the count in increment in count in over here, and then a button on click in increment, guys. Once I'm clicking this button should be increment. That's what an on click event just on set count, and just I will take this count plus 1. That's all, nothing is there, guys. So here what I'm going to do, app.tsx, go to app.tsx, and then I would like to comment this hello, and then just what I want to do here, I would like to do function counter. Okay, function counter. That's all, guys. And then let's go and have a look in browser how this one is working over here. Let me refresh this page. Just give me a minute, guys. Yeah, now it's coming. See, guys, here. And so here, if I'm clicking increment, it's going to increment the value. That's all, guys. So I hope you're understanding about this one. So here, as I mentioned, we have in different types, guys. If you want to practice in with Boolean, or with the string, with the array, with the object, or with the custom types, and you can try it, guys, in yourself. And this is the way you can use it. The use state is a React hook that allows is the functional components to manage the state in functional component. Is mainly for state, guys. That's all, guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, and we'll catch up in another video, guys. Bye bye now.